Hello and good day. It's me again, mrizal04-15, and today I'm gonna show you how to use manual focus on both photos and videos on Nikon P510. Before that, I would like to thank Statsworld, the YouTuber whose channel names is Statsworld. He's the one who revealed how to use this manual focus, and it's been great. I've been using it for a while, so I would like to thank him for that. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and turn the dial from this green icon, camera icon, to P, and then when you are here, you just click down the flower icon, and then when it first originally it will be in the autofocus, but you have to click down until you find manual focus, and then this is how you can change the focusing. That is up for down for close up, and up for far away, and then you click OK, and then you can use it normally. If you want to change the focus again, just click OK once more, and that's just is in video mode is much more easier because it's already there, so you don't have to click OK. Now there are drawbacks to using manual focus. That is, you can't access you can't use digital zoom, only the 42x zoom. So yeah, you are limited to that. I think that is all that I want to include in this little short video, but if there is any additional information, it will be in the description or in the comment section, so do check out those two things that I mentioned. Again, thank you so much for Tats World for showing me or showing us how to use the manual focus. Thank you for watching this video, and comes again next time. Thank you so much.